The Ozark Trail Edition speaks to the soul of every American who knows that low tire pressure is just a part of life. A cry to all Americans who will listen that quality is good, but price is better. The Ozark Trail Edition isn't about bells and whistles. It's not about social clubs. It's a quiet statement to everybody that you value above all things the affordable option. It's about the confidence that no matter which road you choose in life, the mediocre four-wheel drive and semi-reliable engine of a Chevy 1500 will most likely get you. So today was one of those days where I have way too much to do and not nearly enough time to do it all, so I decided I'd do something that was really, really unimportant, but that I wanted to do anyway, just to make up for all of the things I'm not going to get done today. I have this obsession with Ozark Trail stuff. I had some super bootleg decals made up by some really sketchy internet company, and I want to put a Ozark Trail badge on the Peso truck, the Z71, and I've got some cool stainless pieces that I'm going to put that on. Hopefully it'll turn out looking super official with the added effect of having it say Ozark Trail Edition on the truck. So super excited about that. Let's see how it turns out. So here is the piece of stainless. Stainless does tend to rust a little bit if you don't polish it, and so most of this actually will come off, but I do want to polish it a little bit. There's some scratches in there too, and that'll make the decal stick better, and it will make it not rust in the future. So first I got to cut out the right size pieces. I'm thinking probably like, I don't want it too much bigger, probably like that. So I'll square that off and see if I can hack it out with the grinder. Smaller grit yet. Maybe we won't buff it, just sand it. My board's gonna be all sanded too by the time we're done with this. That's pretty nice. 400 grit. That's the professional stuff. Nobody uses 400 grit unless they're serious. Ready to see your face in this? The reflection. I don't think that'll rust. It's pretty smooth. Sweet. Alright. No paper towels, but there's... Oh, that's my shirt. There's a shirt
give you my shirt
in the shop that we're going to use. This was the same shirt I used to clean the pipe at Citarello's.
Yeah,
it's just like becoming a thing. a in the hole, in the dirt kind of shirt.
In the dirt kind of shirt.
Dude, that sounds like a clothing brand.
Yeah.
Alright. There's got to be a clean corner on here somewhere.
Dude, that thing's been in our shop for weeks. It does not have to have a clean corner on it.
No clean corners.
So, bring your right end up a little bit. Bring it down some. That looks good. Bring your left end up a little bit. Keep going.
There was definitely something right behind that one. The internet wants that.
Yeah.
What do they call that? Where it's like weird looking activities that you can't look away from.
There you go. It's been done. You want a card or something to smooth that out?
Got my rivet right on the trail.
Oh no. Dude, the dots stayed on.
Bro. This makes me so happy. It's the things in life.
That went great.
I'm really happy with this. Before you know it, people are going to be putting these on their Jeeps, and they won't even know what it is.
You should get a vanity plate that says great value.
We'll do that on our next budget work truck.